going on, ladies and gentlemen? I'm back with another video. Today I will be showing you how to put sound effects or download sound effects in order to put them in your like YouTube videos or your editing softwares. So first things first, you're going to go to YouTube and you're going to type in sound effects or whatever you want to do. And you're gonna look at whatever sound effects you like are most interested in. You're going to stupid ads. Can't stand it. Alright, let's watch this. Yep. Okay. Rambo. Bro, Rambo's a classic.
Hello, this is M12.
Hey!
Today, of course, I'm a little bit...
Alright, Betsky. Alright. Alright. Okay, so we're looking at all these different ones. We gotta find something interesting. Alright, this is really bad. Okay, punch. Alright, how about that? Let's do a punch one. Alright, so actually for this, we're gonna leave it at, on this one, you're gonna open another tab in YouTube. You're gonna go to, you're gonna put in punch. Sound effect. Alright, now you're going to want to look at something that's like really like short. So you see this first one, it says punch sound effect 2. You're going to look at it in the bottom right corner of the video. It's going to say how long that video is. So this one's 3 seconds long, so let's go on this and let's see if it's a good one. Okay, let's turn that up. Okay. So now that we got this, I got the crackers. So now that we have the sound effect here, we're gonna want to go up to the top. You know, the link of the video. You're gonna want to copy and paste it, or you're gonna copy it first. Copy it, and then this is the important part. You want to go to MP3 YouTube converter. And you're going to search it up. There we go. You see right here, we got YouTube to MP3 converter. And now that we already copied that link, we're going to go to YouTube MP3 converter, and we're going to put it in. We're going to right click and we're going to paste it. So now we have the link to this video, and we're going to press convert. So what it's doing is just looking at the video and getting the sound effect for it. I just want to make a quick note. You can do this with basically any video. It says right here. Alright, so the videos, wait one second, right here. The videos are always converted in the highest, blah, 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 blah. Please note that we can only convert videos up to a length of 2 hours. So if you want to, for some reason, get some, like, I don't know, like one of Mr. Beast's video, just like so you can listen to it for some reason, you're gonna I guess you can do that because his videos aren't really you know, longer than 2 hours, unless he's counting till 100,000, you know. Then if you watch that video, put that in the comment section below. That means you're a true OG. Alright, so what you're going to want to do now is download. You're going to press download on this screen. So, as you see in the bottom left corner of my screen, it says punch sound effect. So, it might even bring you to another website. You could just say, the hell with that, and you don't have to do anything on this website. you could honestly just X out of it. So now that it's downloading in the bottom left corner, it's already downloaded. So I'll push this, boom, there it is. So now you've downloaded it, and if you want to put it into your YouTube videos, then you're obviously gonna open your video editor. This is how I edit some of my videos. For example, this is my okay new intro. Alright, fun fact, when I edit this video, I'm actually going to be using the same exact, well, obviously I'm going to be using the same exact editor, but I'm going to be using the same exact, copy right now that you guys are watching. Because I have to put my intro, unlike last video, I didn't put it in. So, if you want to put custom audio, you could just go up here, press custom audio. Obviously, this is only for my PC. I got a Vio, it's called, by Sony. So if you guys happen to have that PC, then you're in luck. So you're gonna wanna add audio file. This is just so I can show you guys that I actually have it downloaded. And I forget what it is. I think it's in downloads. Alright, so look at this right here. You see this blue line that's across? There it is. Punch sound effect 2. And we're going to right click on it. I just want to show you. We're going to, I guess, view it. So just to let you guys know, this is all of my sound effects. We got suspense, wow, sound effect, yeet. We got nope. Oh my god. We got Microsoft Windows, Metal Gear, look at this dude in the arms of the angel, and bruh, sound effect, bruh. And yeah, so here you see we got punch sound effect. This is the one that we just downloaded. And obviously if you want to, you could put that into your video. As you look here, you'll see that, it's downloaded. So I don't know what this is going to sound like, as much as me right now. So obviously I'm not going to keep it in here. So, yeah. Bruh. What the heck? Alright, so it didn't even play because there's already music to this. But, yeah, anyways, if you have a blank, just regular video, you could obviously put it in. Let's go to subscribe to Pandemic Myth. Let's go to this video, and let's put in, oh, I already put one in yesterday.
Content. Peace.
Actually, that was not it, but.
What's up, guys? I just want.
Oh, okay. So this is the suspense one, and I obviously didn't edit it, so it looks normal. But this is how it looks as a raw copy.
What's up, guys? I just want to give a big shout out to my friend Pandemic Myth. He made a YouTube channel.
Okay, there it is, guys. As you see, we downloaded it from Google. So let's go over it again. We go to YouTube, and then we go to another tab of YouTube, and we search that sound effect. So we did punch sound effect for this one, and then we're gonna look it up. We're gonna copy the video link. We're gonna go to YouTube MP3 converter, and you're gonna press download, and it's gonna download. So yeah, guys, that's the video. I hope you all enjoyed so much. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers by the end of the month, so that would be much appreciated if you guys would just drop a sub, because it's free, so why not? Yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.